I'm Dr. Richard Downs with usaguard.com. That's usa-guard.com, I should say. We're the makers of HypoNasal, the nasal spray with hypochlorous acid. I want to give you a few facts about the product so that you could get the best experience with it. First of all, how it's made. Our product is made with a non-electrolysis method. In other words, most HOCL products are made with electrolysis of salt water. When you do that, you get a lot of contaminants. You have a very short shelf life, and you get products in there that you don't want in your nose, like hydrogen peroxide. Many of these products are also stabilized with acetic acid because they don't have a long shelf life. As a matter of fact, often you'll buy these products, and by the time you get them home and use them, they've already lost all their HOCL. Their effectiveness is very, very limited, if at all. Also, um, the acetic acid changes the nature of this product, so it's not really the kind of thing you want to be dealing with when you're trying to make your nose cleaner and healthier. The other thing you need to know is that some people with unhealthy nasal tissues, and many people do have that, should start out with this product in a stepwise fashion, and I'll show you how I want you to do that. First of all, you can rinse your nose with a little saline or salt water before you use it. That will help. Um, some people have a little tiny bit of sting when they start with this product. That just tells you that it's working, it's not harmful, but it is an indicator that your tissues need to get more healthy. One of the things I'd recommend also is that you spray, starting out by just spraying the hyponasal uh, on the outside of your nose, like so. Now you can just sniff that up, and it'll give you all the hypochlorous acid and the nasal spray you need to do the job. After a while, your tissues get cleaner and healthier. You can start using this in a horizontal fashion. In other words, you can go in horizontally with your spray and give a dose and sniff it up. When your tissues get very, very healthy, then you can use it on a regular way, the regular way, vertically, like most nasal sprays are used. So these are the recommendations I have for you, and I think that you'll get a better experience. And we want you to tell us how you like the product by going to usa-guard.com. Thank you very much.